Alwiland Q. Bello. Sir, I hope I pronounce it right, Sir Bello. From Bukidnon State University. Congratulations, Sir Bello. All right. There you go. The center. The center aisle. Thank you so much, sir. All right. And we will request, did we have the picture for all the sustainable development? I think that's the next thing that we're going to do, right? Okay. Congratulations. After Sir Bello, may we call again Sir John Paul for the photo op. Like the two of you as the winners, please bring with you the plaque and the certificate as well, and the token if you have. Yes. So for the category for innovations in education, please, Sir John Paul, please join Sir Bello. Sir Bello, please hold on for a moment. Join us here on stage for the photo op for this category alone, innovations in education. May we request all the best papers na lang muna po because Ma'am Imata is the sole winner for just one sub-theme. So we also request Sir Marvin, Ma'am Dana May, Sir Jonathan, and Sir Renante once again on stage for have one photo op for the best papers for this year's ATUNet Invent Conference 2025. All right, show your plaques, show your award. At the spotlight, find your... Mic, all right. Okay, so congratulations. Those winners who got it twice. Thank you so much. Thank you. And hopefully we'll see you again next year in Malang, Indonesia. All right. We will work hard for that. We'll work hard so that we could have it next year in Malang. Congratulations once again. All right.